So friends, our today topic is all about managing the office stress. Let us discuss about the remedies how we would manage the office stress. First of all, it would be fine if you go to the office 5 to 10 minutes earlier and keeping in mind the previous day jobs and make a to-do list according to the priorities. It is always fine to make a to-do list because it helps us not only managing our jobs as well as one self also, and every small or big job has its own importance in your professional life as well as in your personal life also. So what do I think is, it is always better to start your day with a to-do list. It not only help in your present day as well as it would also help in making your next day and throughout your week, how to manage yourself, how to manage your family, how to manage your office jobs. It is always right to make a to-do list. So the friends, the next step is try to listen the instructions for you which is given by your seniors very carefully. It is always good if you have time to write it, because in case of any confusion you won't be able to complete your job in the way it is required to be done. So in case of any confusion, it is better to ask again and get the things clear from the instructor. What I have written is, you should ask in case of any confusion. If you don't get the things clear, even if you are afraid, still you have to ask to get the things done in the way it should be, because it is always easy to hit the target which is clearly visible. So friend, this is one more step towards getting the things done in a comfortable way without getting yourself into stress. Now friends, something very important: never compromise with your dignity and respect and try to return the same to the other. It is because every individual has its importance in life, and it may be a nightmare keeping on thinking about getting scolded by someone. It is better to ask your seniors, subordinates, or your friends or anyone to improvise yourself and ask them to treat you with the dignity and respect, because it is our right to live with dignity and respect. It is always better to have a proper documentation and record keeping with a correct file name, and always keep it in a right place where you can get it whenever it is required. It is one of the essentials while maintaining your office jobs. It always helps and it keeps you stress free because you have all the documents with you and on time. Friends, there are some basic principles of working in an industry or in life, and one of the very important principle is to first listen and then check and then act. We should never fall in rumors or false information which is spread by some people who are don't want to get the things done in a better way. So it is always better to check before you act. Having patience is one of the I would say that it is one of the most important ability a person should have throughout his life. Having patience and be calm, sometimes it very help and sometimes it is very rewarding. A person who have patience and whose mind is calm, he could think in a much better way than others in the time when it is most required. Last but not the least, friends, it is always better never to lie or give any false information regarding anything, regarding your job, regarding your colleagues, regarding anything. It is better never to lie or give any false information to anyone, because it's badly hurts your credibility, which is the most important thing while working in an industry or in your personal life also. If you like the video, please share, please subscribe. Thank you.